Hi there, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. On today's video we are going to do, let's see, what are we up to? We're up to I don't know, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 on the left hand HD rust repairs on the front guard. So what I'll do is I'll go through and see what part we're up to. So today we're going to we are going to make this section here into fitting that section as a repair section. So I'll be cutting this down a little, reshaping that to go back that way, taking that lip off eventually, welding that hole up. And I'm pretty sure that's a rust hole there, but there's another hole there. Yeah. So yeah, re-welding, drilling that hole in. Something's got to be there. You can see that's drilled. Yeah, make that into that. As you might be able to tell, there's a little bit of a bead roll that goes into there. So we're going to try and put one in there with the bead dies. Just don't know if it's going to fit or not, so I might have to. No, it doesn't look like it will. So might be able to. I'll have to go that way. Take that lip off maybe and re-weld that back on after I put the bead in. But anyway, we'll get cracking on with this video, so I'll see you guys after the intro. Okay, we're back. Now, what we're going to do is flip you around, weld this hole in. Now, got a bit of copper and that, so I can weld that up. And yeah, so we're going to do that. So yeah, I'll show you in a tick. Okay, sorry about that, folks. The camera shut off. Yeah, doesn't look best, but it's the hole's welded up, so I'll run that back and then we'll go from there. So we just got there and round that back, welded that hole that was there, fixed up a couple of blowouts, and just going to grind that back and then trim it back again. So we got it all trimmed back, welded up. So sorry folks, and hit it to the tripod. It's too small. So I'm just about to cut this section here out. I'll show you in a second actually. Pause in, I'll be back. Sorry about the bad camera work. Anyway, I'll flip you around and I'll show you what I've done so far. So we've gone along, we've cut the old bit out. I've made this piece up out of an old section that the customer had supplied. And I've welded the hole up that was here. And that, and then if you look very, very carefully, there we go. See how there's a bit of a bead there? Oh, I've just put the bead in and that marked it all out. So as you can see, there's a slight curve this way. So what I'm going to do is from this section here, I'm going to put a little slice in there. And then curve it around, so when I weld it, I can weld the slice back up as well. And just notice there's a pinhole there and a couple of pinholes up here, so I'll deal with that after we do that. So yeah, alright, I'll weld it in, I'll tuck it in, and then I'll show you after. Well, I'm going to leave this video here because I once again need to do a bit of cleaning up. Can't find a few tools. So yeah, if you didn't mind this video, please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you've got any ideas or tips you want to share, please feel free. Yeah, so this will be a part number of yada yada. Part 4 of part 1 of 2. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep your rubber side down. Cheerio for now.